Okay, if y'all pop in, just say hey. I was making videos and I really don't have the storage to do so. And so somebody said that I'm really not cutting my hair every week. I normally cut my hair on Fridays, but I didn't feel like doing it yesterday. But no, I literally cut my hair every week and I just decided to do it on live. So I cut a good half an inch to an inch off. That's it, that's all. And it really just depends on like if I want to try a new style or I'm just trying to maintain. But the shorter the better for me. I've been liking it to keep it short. What else is going on? This hair. And the funny part is I don't never look at the back to cut it. Oh, my sunburn. So the other day when I was live, what day was that? Saturday? Last week. Was it last week already? I don't know. It was a few days ago. I was live doing my 1 mile walk outside and I got sunburn, y'all. And at first I thought it was only my hands, like from where the stroller was. But I think I just responded. I responded just a little bit too late. And so I had a crop top hoodie on, so I got burned there. And then I got burned my hands, my leg, anything that was exposed, it got burned. So that was unfortunate because I thought I caught it by putting my hoodie on, but I definitely didn't. So now, and my face too. So now I have to do like my recovery. But it's healing pretty fast. But I definitely got caught. I should have did this before I got in the shower. Okay. And then we're gonna take some bulk out of here. When I'm with you. And that's it. Y'all got anything special going on for the weekend? That is just a little bit too long for me. That's crazy to even hear me say coming from 24 inches of hair down my back. Talking about something too long. Yeah, that's a little too long for me. It's still a little bulk in here. And I really just be eyeballing it, just depending on how I feel. I should have did this before like my head sweating so I really could see my length. It's a little bulk in here too. Hey, Ashley. You laughing at me talking about my hair too long. This sounds crazy. I cut my hair every week, y'all. Every single week. Normally I cut it every Friday. But I didn't feel like doing it yesterday. So this worked out. A little bulk here. Let's see. It is freeing, and cutting it yourself is even more freeing. So liberating. And it's it's super low maintenance for me. All right, now I'm about to show y'all how quick I'm about to juice this up, okay? Stay with me. I'm gonna make it vamp a little bit. I still should have did my, I'll wait. I should have did my facial first. That's the only thing, recovering from sunburn, it literally like burns. Like the It's not as bad as it can be, but it's definitely still inflamed. All right, here we go. Show you just how quick it takes me to do my hair. I could refill this. Let's get them. Now, this is the controversy because this is probably the reason I'm cutting my hair every week because I use my hair growth drops. But and it's another little testimony, when my iron was low last month in January, beginning of January, my iron was low. I don't have an issue no more. But when I found out that it was low, I started using my my drops. Because for some people, I don't know if you know, but low iron, your hair can thin. So I put my hair growth oil in my thin areas. And then I'm gonna use the butter. I should have used the butter before I used the lot of body, but y'all gonna see what's about to happen. And I'm about to be done in 2 minutes. Fun fact, I have never looked at the back of my hair when I cut it, not even the very first time. And my little sideburns. Y'all see that butter? Now watch what I'm about to do. Y'all see that? I'm getting ready to work out, so I really ain't too worried about it, but I just want y'all to see how easy it is for me to do a quick little style. Nope, not leaving those like that. And we're just gonna let them curl up how they like to do. Let them just curl up how they like to do. And that's that. 5 minutes. Trim, style, go. That's it. That's all. And it's not gonna be crunchy, so I don't have any gel in my hair. So it's not gonna be crunchy. Now, if I wanted to put some gel in it, my little style will like last through the night, but I don't need it to last because it takes me 2 minutes to do my hair. And then also the gel make it like more curly. But that's all I did. My oil, water, a little bit of barely. This so I'm struggling on a lot of body. But my oil, water, and my butter, and that's it. And it's gonna hold my little style. And it's so convenient. Now next week I think I'm gonna take I got a little tail back here, y'all. I should put some beads on it. My little tail curling up. But next week I'm gonna take some clippers and do the back like a little lower with the clippers. I want to save my little tail though, so I don't know how I'm gonna do that. I'm probably just gonna have to hold it. Yeah, put it in a little ponytail. I got some hang time. I can put my tail in a ponytail now. Check me out. But I kept my little tail because it's the only thing that I don't cut to kind of show like how much my hair really growing, because how short I cut the back. But that's that. Done. Time to go. I'm gonna wash my hands. What y'all got going on? I don't know nobody on here. Let's say ain't nobody on here. don't know if I got any more cotton balls for this face. Do I have any down here? Oh. Use that. It's gonna be quick. It ain't gonna be a whole lot of exfoliating because my recovering from my sunburn, but I still got exfoliated because it feel like I could feel the layer. If you ever got sunburn, you know exactly what I'm talking about. I love your hair. Thank you. Thank you, friend. I should have got a towel. I'm unprepared. But somebody has the nerve to say I don't really cut my hair every week. So I just had to do it live. Like what they think I was reposting the same video cutting my hair. I actually thought this was gonna hurt. It feels so good. Whoo. Sunburn. It feel like when you got the chicken pox. This is a turmeric scrub, y'all. But if you ever had sunburn, then you know exactly how it feels when your skin is healing. And I just add my face wash to it. But it feels like, whoo. It feels so good. And I'm not gonna go too far under my eye because I am burned underneath my eye. But I don't want to exfoliate that too much. It's really my cheeks is where I got hit hard at. The sun was just beaming. And by the time I put my hoodie on, it was over with. But y'all see, you got a nice little lather. You got your turmeric, you got your antioxidants, help fade dark marks, help prevent acne, overproduction of sebum, which is what causes acne buildup. I gotta make sure I hit the neck. Haircut looks nice. Thank you. Thank you, thank you. And y'all, even when y'all wash y'all face on the regular, if y'all don't notice, but like when you see me putting the product on, you see me go like this. When you take the product off, you go the opposite direction, like kind of like waxing. But you want to pull everything out of your skin. You don't want to do this when you like washing your face because you're just pushing everything down into your pores. So you want to wipe up. If y'all know that, especially like around your nose. If you got dark spots around your nose, you need to exfoliate. If it look like strawberries, then y'all know what I'm talking about. You think they might be hair bumps. Those are clogged pores. You need to, when you washing your face, wipe up. Scrub up. Scrub up. Oh, that feels so good. And you should see, you see how my face look red? It's not hurting. That's just blood circulation because I'm washing my face the right way. I exfoliated, I got blood flowing, and then you wipe upward. Fun fact. I don't know, is my moisturizer in here or is it another one? I think I left my moisturizer in the other room. I spy with my little eye. What is my oil? pea-sized amount of cream. It don't take a big glob, a big handful. This is actually my nighttime one, but if I mess around, go to sleep. I just do. And this I'm gonna put down because I want it to go into my pores. Whew, and that's it. Quick. You need 11 products. It really don't take all that. You can start off with simple skincare with 3 products. You need to exfoliate, you need to cleanse, and you need to moisturize. And depending on what kind of skin type you get or what time of day you you doing your skincare regimen, whether it's night or day, just determines what products you're gonna use. Whether you're gonna use a cream-based product or whether you're gonna use an oil-based product. Then it matters if you plan on, ladies, if you plan on wearing makeup. All of that matters. If I was gonna wear makeup, this routine with the cream is something I would have did at night. And when I would have woke up, I would have woke up still just like, boom, just glowing, just ready to do a simple wash and apply my foundation. I wouldn't, me personally, I wouldn't apply foundation right after doing my skincare that I just did with exfoliating because I just opened up my pores. Hey, Miss Humphrey! Yeah, I wouldn't do that because I just opened up my pores. So I didn't open up my pores to then clog my pores back with foundation because they're open, it's exfoliated. It's just like when you do a wax, it's certain things you don't want to do after having a fresh wax. You don't wax your legs and then go sit in the pedicure chair. Don't do that, y'all. Don't do that. But yeah, that was it. I was just checking in. So Friday will be my next haircut and I'm going to clip or cut the back. So that's my self-care for the day, even though it's late in the day. I had to do it, so I'll be looking crazy at church tomorrow with a little afro puff fro. But that was quick and easy. All right, love y'all. Bye.